a couple days ago, we have done a little popper things just like these, but we're done with these ones. Today we are going to be doing the board game. If you guys didn't know, there's a dice. You basically pop all these, and that's actually, I think it completes all of it, and I think that's all. And you just win. We're going to be playing this, and we're going to do it next. Okay. So right here, this is all of our little poppers. Right here, it comes with the dice. If we could open it. Oh, never mind. Comes with dice. What does red mean? I don't know. Maybe you don't do it.
You have to shake them and drop them in there.
Give me
in a little square.
Oh! I don't know how I do that. Oh no. So I have to pop 2. And what is this one?
4 and 2.
4 and 2?
6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, roll the dice again. Here, my mom's gonna play with me too. Ah! You get to pop how many?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, who has? Wait, no!
Turn.
Okay, my turn. I get
9.
9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Mama has to go. How many you got?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can go. I'm gonna do this. Give me something good. Oh! They both fell. Be right back. It's coming. This one's crying. I get how many? 5. Okay, I get to pop 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. No, 5. Oh wait, no. But we gotta section these up. Section these up. Section these up. I never cheat. I've never cheated in my life. How many?
7.
7. You go. How many?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got how many?
8.
8. Okay. Me turn. Oh! How many did I get?
11.
11? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. You got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Okay. My turn. We got how many?
12.
12! Oh my god! This line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. You got how many?
9.
9. Not 9. Okay, time for me to go. What do I get? How many? Oh, that's red. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do you get? You got how many?
9.
9. Okay, you get 9. Is that funny? We both get the same amount. We both get 9. That's funny. Ooh, okay. Wait, how many?
I can't see him. 7.
7. Okay.
All your bottom ones.
These ones? 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you lost the game.
No. What does that mean if you lost?
If you lost, you gotta flip it over and do it again.
How do you win though?
You win by not popping over so many.
Oh, up to me.
My turn.
You got how many?
4.
4. Okay. We got, oh no.
5.
5, okay. Now we gotta do 1, 2. Okay, okay. Time for you to roll. You got
4.
4. You got a 4. Okay, time for me to go. How many?
3.
3. That's bad luck. 1, 2, 3. You got how many?
6.
6. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know where is this. 6. Okay, time for me. How many?
9.
Okay. Ooh.
Wait, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hope I don't pop anymore. Oh, I almost forgot to do these. Ooh. I got like more poppers.
6.
Ooh, get the huge amount. Imagine if we get the huge amount. If they had 1 million. Oh. Okay, we got how many?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm so close at the end. I don't know.
5.
Okay. So like it said 5. The last one I literally said 5. I thought of it did. Oh! Oh no. Okay. At least that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. I still haven't popped this one.
6.
6. That one said 6 again. How many? Oh!
3.
3. Okay, finally. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh,
6.
okay. And 6. Okay, now what else? Oh, yeah, I have to roll. Wait, how many?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, at least not a lot amount.
9.
9. Got 9. Okay. We got how many?
8.
8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here you go. You got how many?
8.
Oh God, you're getting the... Oh, you're almost out. It's gonna be, but I'm almost out. I'm the one that I have to suffer. Oh, what did I get?
7.
7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God, I'm about to lose. Here you go.
7.
You're about to lose. Ooh, this is bad luck. Well, so I was gonna lose. One time you have to lose. Oh, wait, how many?
6.
6.
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. I'm more. Wait, I don't have to. How many?
9.
9. You're lost. You lost. Now I get it. Nay, yay! Now we're gonna turn it over. We're now gonna have fun. Ah! Woo! I want to just do that again. The popping is so funny. Whatever. At least we have the extra. And then we turn it over. Okay. Okay, we just gotta keep popping. Sometimes it just sounds like quiet fireworks. Just pop it. This is so. And then we turn it over. So that is all for this board game. I know this ain't popular yet, but you guys have to buy this. This is so cool. You guys have to buy this. This is very cool. You can play with your friends, family, or basically your mom or who else other. You have to get this. It's so satisfying, kid. Yeah, that's how satisfying this board game is. So yeah, if you guys really want this and really need to get it yourself, you guys can get it. Link in the description below. Goodbye.